So we can begin. I was just playing. Sorry. Um, this is vlog number 2. So what I actually wanted to talk about was, have you guys, which like American film have you guys seen recently where Nigerians are, they're playing Nigerians as Nigerians? You notice how they sound like, good evening. My name is Olajumoke Olatubonsu. How do I help you? I seriously don't understand that. That's not how we sound now. Like, I mean, is that how you sound? Because around here, I go to anytime I've been playing, even in this game, the new Call of Duty. If any of you guys have played that, they came to Nigeria, they came to Lagos. There's one prime minister guy like that. That's exactly how you're sounding too. They did not want to capture us. The people they wanted to capture are in another box car. They even, like, usually when they are playing like Chinese people now, or like Europeans or French people, so they do their research, they go over there, use tenses and phrases and clauses and all that nonsense that they use. But then now that they want to represent Nigeria, they're like, they just let them sound anyhow. They don't sound like that, man. As in, they did it poorly, very, very poorly. The only good thing was that at least just be well for one night on the wall. Yeah. The guy asked, waiting be this. Still, with that voice, waiting be this. Like, guy, waiting be this, waiting this. That's how it sound now, that's how it be. The person is just there for me, waiting be this. Well, I guess that's how they hear us, maybe. How some people think, how they sound like. It's really like that. But, oh yeah, it's not like we're fighting with them or anything, so we just speak it like that. I just felt it was worth noting. In the future, if Nigerians are going to play Nigerians in American films, they can like sound like us. How we speak. I mean, do I sound like that? Like, I'll try to make an imitating voice. Maybe let me imitate myself now. Let me imitate myself. You see how I sound? Like just exactly like that. It's possible, sure. Maybe we sound like that, but maybe we don't. But may I feel sure that's not how we sound. So, if any of you guys have noticed it, sure, can like write the names of the things in the comment below. I'll try and check the ones I can check and the ones I can check. If you guys can look me over there and stuff like that, I won't mind out. I want to see if they did anyone anywhere properly, because like this AY movie, 30 Days in Atlanta or something, they're portrayed well there now. Okay, Mutini. So this girl there. That film makes sense, yeah. I don't die, worry, your father. Ha! Well, anyhow, though, that's how we sound. We don't think this in Nigerians, but them AY for me, okay, Mutini, their father. See, they're talking normally there now, except maybe UK Rams, shouting some kind of funny there. That is him normally. Everybody else, worry. That's how these girls are shouting throughout. Their father, oh, they're dead. That kind of thing. Anyhow, I've said my own. I don't want to come and talk too much. I let the video not come too long. But you want to subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Subscribe, and I'll give you the link and the name to my other channel. It's down. And if you like it, you can subscribe to that too. You can share this video with your friends, can find how you download it or whatever. If you like it, share it, and they can also subscribe to. Well, I guess I'll see you guys in the other one. Nah. Hey, goodbye.